Going on, Pyros Pyreverse here, bringing you another video. I'm here outside of South Lyon, Michigan at Michigan Fireworks Company. They are open for business during this awesome pandemic, so we're going to go ahead and take a look inside to see what they have. Alright guys, so we're inside of this store. Here's the shopping carts off to the left as soon as you walk in. He does have baskets too. Look at the product. We got some sky rockets here, mixed in with some bottle rockets. Take a look at some of the prices here. Got some nice varieties, got some sparklers, some numbers, some fun novelty items. A bin full of fireworks. Some sky lanterns here. Like I said guys, I've never been to this fireworks store before, but it's pretty cool. They carry a nice wide variety of product. Here's some daytime cakes, some parachutes, some smoke bombs down here. Look at this guys. This is a big huge 10-inch parachute. Then we got some canisters down here. He sells them by the 6-pack and by the 24-pack, so he has them broken down. Hercules. So here are some of the 6-packs that he has. And then we have the chameleon shells from Big, XXX. Here's some shells called the Rockstar. I believe these are new for this year. As you can see, he's got a whole bunch of them. Some assortments. And then here's some of the 500 grams he has. He's got the Brothers Big Sky Bacon Winda. Here are the prices on some of them. $69, $69.99, or 2 for $120. Some good ones in here. Rio. Tata's a good one. Here's some Big, some Brothers. Some Sky Bacon. This is another good one right here, Summer Shine. Everyone's favorite. Highfalutin, Hit the Road Jack. Some more big stuff. These ones right here, as you can see, is $44.99 or 2 for $80. Okay, we're gonna go back down here, go down the next aisle. Here's the biggest shell kit right here, it looks like. This is the Rubicon. $3.99, but on sale right now for Memorial Day, $3.50 as you see. The Ultimate Altanium or whatever from Firehawk. I heard this is good. Neon Thunder from Sparky's. He does carry Sparky's product as well. Got some sparklers, smoke bombs, some spinners here. These are cool, and for the kids, little tractors. They actually move. Check that out. Price on that. Snow cone, probably a top seller. Roman candle barrages. Check out these ones, guys. Look at how big this one is. Roman candle barrages, as you can see, some of the prices on that. Now we're going to go down the 200 gram and fountain aisle. Here's a little small one. He's got some good ones down here, like Bling Bling. You guys can hear the TV going. You can scan any item in the store and watch it right there on TV. He's got some good 200 grams. One of my favorite 200 grams right here. It's full auto from Big. It's 200 shots. Nice little mini 200 gram sprinkler. Mobile Menace. Take a look back here. Here's some more novelty fountain items. Looks like you got an airplane here, a tank, a car of some sort, some spaceships down there. Pretty cool little selection here. Now we're going to go back down that aisle and show you the fountains that he has. This one's pretty cool. It's Koi Pond. Everyone's favorite snow cone. Ballerina ball, another good one. This one's pretty cool. Look at this. Nice selection of fountains. Some more Roman candles. Check this out. Nice panda looking fountain. You can keep it as a souvenir when you're done. Some Roman candles. Now we're going to take a look at some more 500 grams and zippers. See some of the zippers and their prices. Looks like he's got Brothers, Sky Bacon, Winda, Big First sprinklers. Nice wide variety of sprinklers. Some more fountains back here with some 200 grams. Check out that fountain, guys. Magic Dragon. Pretty cool. Got some weight to it too. Keep that for the kids. Take the bottom off. Kids now have a toy. Check that out. Looks like confetti cannons down there on the bottom. Some product stock. Now we got some bigger 500 grams, and then he's got a $29.99 right there. $29.99 or 4 for 100 deal. Blue Bullets, Neon Thunder, Highfalutin by the Cage, Magnificent Festival. Here's where the 4 for 100 or $29.99 each starts. Backlash, Amp, Dark Days, Burn It Up, Lightning, Endgame, Critical Mass, Broken Silence, Live Load. Pretty cool. Now we got some 3-inch racks here. You can see some of the prices. I believe they're all $99.99. So we got Pro 3, Wacky Tobacco, Mass Explosion, Nuclear Destruction, The King's Ring, Stoked, and Seven's Deadly Sins. We got some more novelties over here.
I think it says 10. Like I can't even.
Nice novelties, some more.
Yeah.
What's that one?
Here's a party popper, little toy gun.
Oh, Winda. Okay.
Even spin the wheel. What did you got up at the register? You can even buy pacifier. Some of the other novelties up here. We got the Bad Dog, or also known as the Pooping Dog, as it's under 100 different names. Got some Fuse. Check out some of the prices on the Fuse. A Memorial Day bundle right here. And as you guys know, they do carry a Great Lake mortar rack. So if you guys are in the South Lyon area and you want to purchase some Great Lake mortar racks, make sure you come on over here and purchase them.